Soft morning light.
This garden center looks so cozy for tiny steps.
DinoBu steps out in a cozy way. Tail sways gently behind little feet. Ready
I will
for
follow the
garden
path
shopping
and see
with
what
a bright
grows.
new beat. Rolling past the tables where the colorful blooms stand. Petals in pink and purple cross
The
the
colorful
land.
flowers sway
Cool
gently
towel
as I
ties echo
balance my
with the
tail.
soft delight. DinoBu peeks along at every bloom in sight. Garden shopping,
These
wheels go
little
round
seed
and
pictures
round,
tell such
picking out a
wonderful
pretty
growing stories
leaf
here.
that can be found. Garden shopping, bright and sweet today. DinoBu softly sings
The warm air
to the
feels
garden
so
way.
gentle on my snout.
Stepping in the greenhouse where the golden light gleams. Lush green leaves are
these
waking
healthy
from their
green
summer
leaves look
dreams.
perfect for
Front
a home.
claws reach out gently to a leafy friend. DinoBu chooses one that has no end. Garden
I will
shopping,
find a matching pot
wheels go
while
round
resting
and
my
round,
small
picking
front
out a
claws.
pretty leaf that can be found. Garden shopping, bright and sweet today. DinoBu's
A tiny
little
watering can
voice
will help the
goes
root stream.
ting ting every day. Walking past the pottery shelf so
Yes,
neat.
I would like to
DinoBu
know how
finds
much
a
sun they
pot
need.
for its leafy treat. Next to wooden racks where the tools shine bright, a watering can wait with a cheerful sight.
I just need to
DinoBu
pay for my
hums
little
along with a gentle
bundle.
tap tap tune. Garden shopping, wheels go round and round, picking out a pretty leaf that can be
I will carry this
found.
new friend home with gentle peace.
Garden shopping, bright and sweet today. DinoBu sways along, swish swish to the garden play.
We finished our garden
Standing
center
at the
trip
counter
with
with a
joy.
calm and steady grace, paying for the treasures in this lovely place.